Hello everyone, my name is Al Rodi and I teach and practice emotional freedom technique and also other alternative healing practices that I have found useful for my clients over the years. Today I want to share with you a technique I call loving the pain away, and I'm going to get right into it. This isn't about tapping, it's about loving the pain away. So first I ask you to cross your arms over your shoulders and take a deep breath in through your nose and hold it for a moment. Out through the mouth. In through the nose. One more time. Now I want you to scan your body and find the area in your body where the pain is most prominent and acute. You may think the pain is all over, as many people do, but one can always find what I call the point of the pain, that part of the body that is in the most pain in any given moment, or in this given moment. And find where that pain is in your body and focus on it. I ask you to imagine in your mind's eye, what is the color of this pain? What is the shape of the pain? Is it round? Is it square? Is it oblong? Egg-shaped? Cylindrical? What is the texture? Is the surface dry and rough or smooth? Slippery or slimy? You decide on the color of the paint. You decide on the texture of the paint. You decide on the shape of the paint. You can't get it wrong. It's your paint. Own the pain. And on a scale of 0 to 10, how intense is this pain? 10 would be terribly painful. 0, not at all. And finally, what is this pain trying to teach you? What lesson underlies this pain that your body is asking you to learn? Listen for an answer. And now I want you to take that pain firmly in your awareness and say over and over and over and over again with as much meaning as you can feel, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. No, I really do. I love you, I love you, I love you. I'm so grateful for the service that you have provided me without pain for all of these years. And I invite you to share your lesson with me in order that we can learn what's causing this pain and love the pain away. I love you. 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 Check in with the pain again. Is it still as intense as it was? Give it a new number if it's not. Did it share its message with you? Has the color changed? Has the texture changed? Has the size of it changed? Has the shape changed? If it hasn't moved, try again. One of the most important things we can do is be creative and persistent in loving this pain away. And as love is more powerful than any other emotion, this pain cannot last in the face of love. If you need to do it over and over, do it over and over. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. And thank you for joining me today. This has been Al Rodi. I hope this has been useful for you. Please leave a comment below. I look forward to hearing from you.